Here is an equation with unknowns on both sides. I need to examine both sides of the equation and find the side with the smallest value of unknowns. 5x on the left hand side, 2x on the right hand side. 2x is the smallest, so I'm going to eliminate it from the right hand side by subtracting 2x. 5x minus 2x gives me 3x. I've not done anything with the term minus 3, so that stays as it is, and I've not done anything with the term 9, but the 2x minus 2x gives me 0, so I'm just left with 9 on the right hand side. My next step is to solve the equation as a two-step equation. X, my unknown, is multiplied by 3 and then has 3 subtracted. So we're going to go backwards through those steps and eliminate them, reverse them. Minus 3, I'm going to add 3. That will get rid of that extra term, but I must do it to both sides, so the 9 has 3 added as well. So on the left hand side I'm going to be left with just 3x, as the minus 3 is now 0 having added 3, and the right hand side is 12. X is now just being times by 3, so I have to divide both sides by 3, and x is 4. A second example for you, and you can see that on one side I have 4x, and the other side I have minus 6x. Minus 6x is very much lower than 4x because negative numbers have a smaller value than positive numbers. So the first unknown I'm going to get rid of is the minus 6x. So to get rid of minus 6x, I add 6x to both sides. On the left hand side leaves me with 7. On the right hand side, 4x plus 6x gives me 10x, and I still have the minus 8 to consider. My next step is to look at the right hand side and simplify to get x on its own. Currently x is being multiplied by 10 and minus 8 carried out afterwards. So the last thing I'm doing is minus 8. I must reverse that and do plus 8, which I do to both sides. On the left hand side that gives me 15. On the right hand side it leaves me with 10x. Now to get x I have to divide by 10. And here we find that x must equal 1.5.